Hello, hello, hello. Comm 110 students, sections 9, 31st and 35th. I have an announcement, a short video for the group activity, 5 points. So doing this assignment, you will gain 5 points for this week. And before talking about that, I just would like to remind you guys of, especially those who haven't done their assignments, the outline and the uploading video, and of course, after that, that peer evaluation form and self evaluation form that need to be uploaded to the Blackboard as soon as possible. And beside that, I also would like to let you know that tomorrow we are not meeting in the class as we talked about it in the past, and but we meeting next week to talk about our last speech, persuasive speech. So for this 5 points assignment, I have a document of 7 items of how to use the citation if you are using a book. So we're talking about we're talking about these items because we for the purpose of researching for the persuasive speech. So if you are using a book or getting information from a book, so at the end of your outline for the next speech, you have to reference that book. And let's say, for example, over here, if you go to Frodo All, all the details are over there. So we have the APA style 7th edition. Let's say for the book, we have the author's last name, first letter of the first name and first letter of the middle name, or first letter of the middle name and first letter of the first name. Year of the publication, then we have the title of the book, and we have the subtitle. Also, if you have a subtitle, it's again you will start to do the capital as we have over here. So we have Alexander the Great, and then we have started the subtitle Life of anyway. Then you have the publisher's name and the DOI if it's available. So that's for the book. We have, if you have a chapter in a book, so we have like another item we'll be using for a chapter in a book. So if you have a chapter in a book, so here, last name of the author of the chapter, not the book, but the chapter. The first name of the middle name and first name of the first letter of the first name. And we have 2 authors over here. And then year of publication. And after that, we have title of the chapter. And then we move into the book image idea. So we over here we have in, then you have EE, let's say that the first name, the first letter of the first name, first letter of the middle name, and then the last name. And we have 2 editors in this case. And then between 2 brackets we will write EDS, editors of the book, title of the work. So this title is the title of the book, not the chapter. And then over here we have pages. Of course, it's the pages of the chapter. So pages of the chapter, let's say from 100 to 120. And publisher, and again, if it has a DOI, you will provide that also. So that's, we already, took care of the book and a chapter in a book. Then we have the magazine, the same, an article in a magazine with the same idea. Over here, last name again, first letter of the middle name, first letter of the first name, the year of the, and the month, the year and the month, then the title, and then we're moving, to the, the volume. So volume 26, issue number 2, and again, pages from 70 to 72. Academic journal with the same idea, and newspaper, then we have website and online periodical. And so this, I will send this document to you guys, and here are the 7 items that we are talking about. So first, I want you to do a citation, APA style format, 7th edition for this book. So this is the book. I will send this document to you also. So first, we have the book. We will do it for this book. More information about the book. Then we have 2 magazine article. This is the magazine article. And then 3, we have academic article. This is the academic article. All the information are mentioned here. And 4th, chapter in a collected book. So this is the book. This is the title of the book and the editors. And here is we're talking about this chapter. And then newspaper article. So here's the New York Times. And we're talking about this article. Number 6, online article. So here's the article from online. And then the last one is the website. So we have the website and then do a citation for the website. And so I will send these 2 documents to you. So first this one and the 7 pieces or items that I want you to do that citation or documenting them. Do it in a Word document and send those 7 citation items in an email to me. And sending that email to me with that document that contains those 7 references, you will gain 5 points for that. That's all what I have to remind you for this 5 points activities. And if you have any questions, let me know about it. Other than that, we are not meeting this week, but we are meeting next week. So have a nice weekend and take care.